Hello and welcome. I just picked up this Silent Compressor from Lidl. It's a PSK068A1 Parkside. Only cost $79.99. Had to grab it. So I'm going to take it into the workshop, get it out of the box, see what's included in the pack, see if there's any assembly necessary. So here we are in the workshop now. I'm going to get this open to see what we got for that $79.99. I bought this Silent Compressor for the reason that it is a silent compressor. I have another 24 litre of the same brand, but it's quite noisy and causes a lot of noise pollution when I'm trying to do my live streams on a Sunday night. Get the box open here to see. Here we go. There's no real graceful way of getting this out, is there? I have to just turn it upside down. That was very unelegant. First thing I see is this, the book. That might not be much use to this. I'm just going to take this out of the plastic. It's very light, very portable. I do like that aspect of it. It's got a fitted plug. There's absolutely no accessories with it. I didn't need any, but you know, the drainer valve's quite handy. And according to the box, it comes with a 3-year guarantee. So here's the one that I'm currently using. It's a Parkside PKO24B2, so it's a 24 litre compressor and not a silent one at that. I'm going to show you. So turn down your volume now. I'm going to switch this on to hear it. So you can hear the problem. During a live stream, that's a bit too loud. The best we can do is plug that in and see if there's any difference at all, or have we just wasted $79.99. So here it goes, switching the top. Oh, that's quiet. That is so quiet. It's filling up quite quickly too, look at that. It's soon be up to maximum pressure, tip it here would say. So that's at full operating pressure there now. And that's quite light, it's only about 5 or 6 kilos that. So that's another aspect, nice and silent and very portable. So just a little bit of air out of it again. And we'll do a test between the two. From loud to quiet, so this is the quiet one. And this is the loud one. So the Parkside PSK068A1, I'll see how it does in practice, but I'm very, very happy with it. So the Parkside Silent Compressor, summing up, very portable, very light, very quick to fill, very, very quiet. There's absolutely no accessories with the pack. But by the same token, we could say there's absolutely no assembly or maintenance necessary. It's an oil free and there's nothing to do, just plug and play right out of the box. I really like this purchase today. I think it's a winner. And check out your local Lidl. I think that's still available. It might be still available. Get in there as soon as you can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.